dancing parrot. Time to lead them to King Max. We're going to catch that parrot if we have to chase him all over the continent.
Oh, this isn't worth it, Everett.